Hello friends, welcome to the video. Today I have decided to buy some cryptos. So if you want to buy, first of all make sure you have a stable internet connection. So my Wi-Fi connection is a little bit unstable, so I'm using a GSM mobile connection. So first of all you need to go to your profile to add a payment method. So as you can see, P2P payment methods here. I have already added a few. It's super simple. You just put in your phone number or account number and you'll be sent a verification code. You type it in and you are done. So I have already added it. I'm not adding anymore. So let's go to the wallet section. In funding wallet, as you can see, I have few USDTs already available, about 5.5. I will buy some more. So let's go to P2P trading. So from here I would like to set the currency I would like to pay with SBDT and select the buy section, not sell. I want to buy, so in the buy section I'll be buying USDT. It's already selected. Now I'll choose a trader suitable for me in my chosen payment method. So I'll filter some of them. I'll choose Nugget, confirm. So only Nugget payment receivers are here. So this guy seems good. He has done 263 trades and success is 99.7%. Rating is also good, and he has a total of 10.08 USDT, and the limit is low though. Limit is also 1000 to a few extra above 1000 BDT. So let's check below. This guy also seems good. He has two payment methods, Bcash and Nogod. So if you go down, the price will go up and up. As you can see, it's 112.38 BDT and it's 112.39 BDT. So I'll choose this guy. Seems promising. Cursor alone. So let's click on buy. So I will buy through fiat, by fiat, and here's some terms and condition. Okay, let's see. What's in here? So back. type 1000. Zero fees. So let's click on buy. I'll make a chat with him. Okay, he's not responding. So as you can see, I have received the amount and the payment has completed, and I made the payment. When I sat down, I was making the payment. So yep, it's a pretty long process though. If I go to my funding wallet section, if I refresh the page, as you can see, my balance has increased to 14.48 USDT. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.